Okay, now that we're in, we've signed up to eBay, which is the best part. And now what we want to do is show you something called Seller Hub.
Yeah, so we're going to introduce you to Seller Hub. This is going to be sort of the interface of eBay, which you're going to become most familiar with.
And it's the main place. The reason we're called Seller Hub is the main place where you're going to see everything, all the information that you need to see in one place. It's going to be just a quick summary of everything, so you can have an overlook of your account.
Now, usually you do have to apply to be entered into the Seller Hub, and it usually can take some time with eBay. And usually they tell you have to have sold a certain amount of items before you're allowed access. But Jono came up with a quick little fix. So simply go onto the URL where it's ebay.co.uk/sh. And that is it.
Just delete all that, yeah. Just make sure on the address you just accept ebay.co.uk/sh. Otherwise, your browser might suggest more, which is what Matt was trying to do just now.
So there we go.
Press enter, and then it sort of goes as you click on Start Using Seller Hub, the blue button there. And then it starts collecting all the information. Now it'll just go through some instructions. Follow the instructions. So make sure you're going to...
like.
Yeah, we're going to click on that customize button where that is just suggested to click on just a moment ago.
Okay.
So we click on customize, and it's going to show as much information as possible. So we want to say, if you want to see sales for the last 31 days, I know there's no information right now, and then sales in general, your monthly limits, account summary, all of these are important. So what we suggest you do at the start is just tick all of them, and then we can move on from there. The reason why I want you to tick all of them is just so then you can get used to the eBay platform and get used to sort of what they show, what information that you have available, and then you can pick what information you want to see. So it's good to have them all. And the last one's the most exciting one, is your monthly limits.
So guys, I know this can be a bit frustrating, but if your monthly limits aren't up to scratch, it is worth just closing down the account and starting up again.
A new one.
For whatever reason, this is the one thing we can't work out with eBay. It does seem to be a little bit of a loss.
We always say, let's play the eBay lottery. So we know you sign up to an account, you never know what limits you're going to get.
You don't.
eBay limits are like a box of chocolates.
It is. But hopefully you'll get a good enough one.
Here we go.
Also, be sure if you say you've got the £5,000 monetary and you really want to be starting with 10, give eBay a call straight off the bat. Tell them, look, I want a £10,000 account, or even actually try to go higher than that because they're likely to knock you down. So say I want a £20,000 starting account. Reason being is I'm already established seller selling on other platforms. This just means they're more likely to give you what you want.
And what we'll do is we'll actually create a video and we'll put it on YouTube, just explaining how to what to say when you speak to eBay and how to get the limits increased and sort of when to do it as well. So we will do another video just to help you guys out.
Boom, there we go.
There we go. That's pretty good. So this is what we want. This is what we expected. In fact, this is like a fairly good, like a strong average sort of account. All the accounts we've seen. So starting with 10,000 is absolutely fine. You've got 1,000 items there. So what we would do next is set up an easync account, and then we'd look to just fill those limits with items. And again, we'll go over what to list and
how to do
list.
it.
Yeah.
All right, guys, bro. Well, we shall see you in the next video.
Yeah, that's how to set up an eBay account.